Hi everyone, Chris from the Driving Theory Workshop, and today we're talking about the show me tell me questions that are part of the practical driving test. Now, on your driving test you'll be asked two questions. One is a tell me question where you'll be asked to explain how you would do something, and one is a show me question where you'll be asked to show the examiner how to use one of the controls of the car while you are moving. Now, so that could be to demist the windows or to wash the front or back window. Now, at the start of the test, when you are asked the tell me question, should you get that question wrong, you will be given one minor. If you get both questions wrong during the test, you will still only be given the original minor. During the show me stage of the driving test, and they ask you to show them how to use one of the controls, should you not be able to locate or use the control they ask, they will ask you to park at the side of the road where they will ask you the same question again. It is only at that stage, if you didn't get the question correct, that you will be given the minor. Now, you cannot fail for the show me tell me questions. The only time you will fail would be if you lost control of the car in the show me stage while you were using the control. So I hope you found that information useful. If you did, then please give it a like or a share. If you want more helpful videos for your theory or practical driving test, then you can visit our YouTube channel by searching for the Driving Theory Workshop. Or if you want to join our online theory course, then you can visit www.drivingtheoryworkshop.co.uk.